For example 4, we're going to write a function called sumUpToEven. And to get us started, I copied the framework from sumEvens because we've really just wrote a program very similar to this. So what sumUpToEven does is it takes a parameter, it's an array of numbers, and it sums up all the numbers in the array up until the first element that's an even number. So this isn't going to sum only the even numbers, it's going to sum up to but not including the first even number. So what we're going to do here is use a technique called early return, where we short circuit. Inside our loop traversal, our traversal of the numbers array, we're going to keep incrementing total by the value of the numbers at position I. All right. So if we ran it just like this, it would sum up the entire array of numbers, which isn't what we want. What we want to do is do it until we find that first even number. So we're going to need an if statement, obviously. And what we're going to do in the if statement is just stop the function and return total. We're going to short circuit. Otherwise, if there are no even numbers, we'll get all the way down here to the end and return the total that we have for the entire array. So if numbers I is even, mod 2 equals 0, return the total. Otherwise, add the number to the total. Now the order of this is important. We can't increment total before we do this check. If we were to do that, then we would actually be including the first even number, and we don't want to include it. So we're going to sum up to even, and let's say we pass in 1, 1, 2. All right, so I'm expecting 1 plus 1 to come back as 2. That works. Let's say we do all odd numbers. I'm hoping 7 comes back. That works. Let's add a couple even numbers at the end. Still 7. So I think we can, with some confidence, say sumUpToEven is working the way we want it to.